Alright, just left the Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. We are heading towards Robbinsville, but we're going to go down 28. It's 11 o'clock. It's 20 after 11 right now. Our goal was to be back home by noon. Because as you know, once church lets out, all the idiots are on the highway. We're not going to make it home by noon, but at least we'll be close. The roads we'll be on will be main highways once we leave Robbinsville. I won't be recording those. But so far today, it's been a pretty good ride. For a Labor Day weekend in the mountains, for the most part, people have gotten out of the way. That nobody's really driving around stupid, and if they see you coming up in the rear, they seem to just move over or wave you by. It's kind of cool when you can ride around and other drivers are polite and have enough common courtesy to get over and let the faster traffic go. We didn't ride on many 4 lanes today, but typically you get out on a 4 lane, you start hauling butt, and there's always a bunch of geniuses who think that the left lane, the passing lane, is their personal lane to sit in and just hold up traffic. Just rude. But look how pretty this road is. The sun's overhead, the trees are kind of shading the road. It kind of makes it difficult to see if there's any debris in the roadway. But I was up here yesterday and it didn't rain yesterday, so I'm just going to assume that the road's as clean today as it was yesterday. In the video I shot yesterday, I made the comment that this road would be a traffic jam around noon today. This isn't exactly a traffic jam, but this road is much busier. If you watch my video that I did on this road yesterday, I pretty much ran this entire road all the way to the Deals Gap store without seeing another car or motorcycle in the lane in front of me. That's not how it's going to be today. We are going to see a lot of this, and I'm probably not going to be able to get around most of them. If I were on a Ducati in full leathers by myself, I would have probably already clicked these people off. But since I'm riding 2 up on a VFR, there's only so much I can do. And there's quite a bit of oncoming traffic, so it's not like I can safely get around these people. I would be happy if we were at least doing the speed limit. That would be a bonus. And then somebody's burning oil. So there's 3 Harleys and a BMW in front of us. And I'm going to have to assume that one of those Harleys has an oil leak. Because instead of breathing in fresh air, I'm breathing in burnt oil.